This is Ferdinand Magellan de Mesquita. 1480 to 1521, soldier, navigator, explorer, Captain General of Armada de Moluccas, dreamer. Municipality of Magallanes enjoys the eternal honor of being named after the great navigator in the service to Spanish crown in search of gold, glory in the spread of the word of God. Being the site of old Butuan by the river mouth, it basks in the limelight as the cradle of the Catholic faith in Mindanao. Okay. So let's see again. Magallanes. This is Magallanes.